Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Where'd she go, Jackson? Bring her over. Pick her up and bring her over. She don't have any claws.
She doesn't? Oops. He does like to roll around in the ground.
Can you say Happy Thanksgiving to Aunt
Happy
Betsy?
Thanksgiving.
To who?
Auntie Betsy.
And
What?
Dale.
Dale.
Nice kitty. Nice Boots. Boots, look at here. Look at here.
He does follow me sometimes.
On.
Oh crud, I need some more pieces.
That's probably enough.
Huh?
That might be enough.
Now we just need some stuff that can make it go.
It's going now. It's starting to come. Get around the other side so I can see your face.
Okay.
Betsy needs to see your big mohawk. Whoa.
There we go.
There you go. You're making trouble now. Smile at me.
Huh?
Say hi, Betsy.
Hi, Betsy.